Alright, so in this video we are going to see the nested root. Nested root. What is mean by nested node? Okay, basically the root which is like inside the root. Roots inside the root. Okay, so let me give the simple example. Let's say we have the contact let's say user list or employee list. Let's say this is the a page where we display the employee list. Okay, for example the URL for this, let's say employees. Okay, so this is the URL, okay, or this is the root for which I am displaying this employee list. Okay, let's say for example 1 2 3, let's say ABC PQR XYZ, let's say key department IT CS computer science, EXTC electronics and communication. So these are the branches and employee related detail. Okay, so but this is the a employee list. But now let's say if we want to check the detail of the particular one. Okay, let's say if I click on this is the a link. When I'm clicking on this ABC, okay, so it will open slash employee slash ABC, and here I am getting the complete detail of ABC, right? Similarly, if I am hitting employees slash PQR, I am getting the detail of PQR. Okay, so basically this whatever this root is like a nested root. Okay, so basically this employees slash PQR, it's like inside this root employees. Okay, so this is called as a nested root. Okay, so the one very most important thing in the a nested root, whenever we want to declare the nested root, the root or URL of the nested root should be started with kind of the parent one. Here is the employees, so root should be started with the a parent root employees. Okay, slash PQR, whatever you want to give it. Okay, extra from this one. Okay, this is the a compulsion kind of thing to make it as a nested root. So employees are the common. Okay, after that PQR ABC XYZ whatever you want. Okay, so like that one we will have the nested root. Okay, so now till the time we have seen we have the roots. Okay, inside that one we have root multiple root, right? We have created the multiple root, contact or about us or a home. So these are the three root we have created now. Okay, so this is a overall structure as of now, right? So now to create the as of now and to create the nested root, what we have to do it. Okay, so simply let's say these are the two roots. Okay, three roots, right? Contact, employee, and third one is about us. These are the three roots we have already created. Now let's say I want to make it as a part of nested root. Okay, so for this one path is a slash home. For this one path is the slash contact. Okay, and for this one slash about us. These are the a URL we have given, right? Roots we have given. Now what I want to make it as a nested root. So what I have to simply do, let me create another root. Okay, instead of closing here I need to close here. Means whatever the roots I want to be the part of the nested root, okay, I have to wrap this inside this particular root. So let's say this is the root I am going to create, let's say landing page. Okay, so landing page, okay, has the three nested root: home, contact and about us. So basically what I have to do, I have to, instead of closing the root here, I have to wrap all the roots which I want to be the nested inside the parent root. That's it. This is the implementation for the nested route. Now how the like rendering will happen? Okay, now let's say I want this 3 to be the part of the like landing page. Okay, nested route. So I have to declare the one tag called as a like outlet. Okay, so this is the tag I have to declare on the parent page. Okay, on the parent route I have to declare this outlet tag, so that what will happen, this 3 nested will be rendered at this tag. Okay, whatever this outlet tag we will declare there, this nested route will be rendered. Okay, so for example, as of now what we did, okay, we have created the 3 component, basically the fourth, right? One, we have created the custom header, right? One is custom header which has all like menus, right? Then we have home, then contact, and third one is about us. These are the like 4 pages we have created. Okay, what we did, we want menu on this all 3 pages. So what we did, we declare this custom header here, right? And let's say custom header here, and after that one we have declared this is home. Then same custom header here, this is like a contact, like this is we have done already, this is contact. Similarly custom header, and this is about. This is what we have did. Okay, now if you see this one, to display the menu on all the 3 pages, what we did, we have included custom header here. Okay, so instead of that one, what we can do, we can create the another page, one more page, let's say the landing page. Okay, what I will do, I will create one landing page. Okay, there I will include the custom header so that all the menus are present. Okay, on landing page I will include the custom header, and these all 3 pages. Okay, now what I want, this all 3 pages I will make it as a like a child one. Okay, so what I want, below this custom header I want to display this home, contact, and about. So simply what I will do, I will write as a outlet tag here. Done. So what will happen, on the landing page this custom headers like menus will be displayed, about us, contact, and that one. And outlet as I told, this tag will be replaced by the child route UI. Okay, nested UI route. Okay, now let's say when I am clicking on the contact us, and what I am going to do, I am going to make it as a like child of this one landing page. So what will happen, whenever I will click on the home, our React router will check. Okay, these are the like nothing but the nested route, it's like a part of landing page. Okay, so what will it will check the outlet tag on the landing page. Okay, and there it will render the UI of the home component. Similarly, when I click on the about us, it will check, okay, on the landing page where is the outlet tag, it will display the about us, similar to contact us. So we need not to write this now all 3 custom headers again and again here, simply we have to write the outlet. Okay, so now let's see by the practical. So here you can see I have created the one more component, that is the landing page. So this is like a functional component which has the only this is the landing page, and on the app.js file I have added the one route, that is the landing page. Okay, for slash. Okay, and it will load the landing page. Okay, so now what I want, okay, let me check on the UI. Okay, so if you go hit this localhost 3000, this is the landing page. Now what I want, okay, So as I told, I want this all three, okay, all three components, okay, I want to be like a child one of the like a this landing page, basically the nested root. So simply what I have to, instead of closing here, okay, I have to declare here. So what I did, simply I wrap this all the nested component, whatever the nested root I want, okay, wrap inside the parent root. That's it. Okay, now let's see what is the output. So here you can see what is the happening. Okay, we are getting the landing page. Okay, but where is the menu? Let me check the home. Okay, but still we are not getting. So what wrong we did? Okay, so as I told you, if we are want to use the nested root, we have to use the extra one tag. Okay, so where in the like a landing page, because this is the parent component. So what I will go on the landing page, I will use, let's say I will use the one tag outlet. This is from the React Router DOM. Okay, so this is the tag I have added. So what will happen, so all the child routes will be display here like outlet. Okay, so this is the like landing page. Okay, and here this all the child routes should be displayed. Okay, so now let's see. So here you can see slash home, or instead of let's say slash. Okay, so here you can see, so here this is the landing page, and here like a for slash, inside the slash, okay, we have declared the home page. Okay, so let me go to this app.js. So here you can see inside this slash I have declared the slash and home, both having the like a element as a home component. Okay, so here you can see this is the landing page. Okay, and this is nothing but whatever you are seeing the below part is nothing the part where we have written the outlet tag. Okay, so here in the this one in the landing page component, here we have declared the outlet tag. Okay, which is like a, when the component will rendered on the UI, this tag will be replaced by the like a child component. Okay, whatever the like a nested root, okay, that will be rendered here. Okay, so here you can see if I'm clicking on the home, okay, slash home, here you can see this is home, contact us, about us, but here you can see this is landing is the like a permanent kind of thing. Okay, because that is nothing but the landing page, and below part is only like a changing. Okay, but what I want, menu is also the needs to be the part of the landing page. Why it should be the like part of the each component? Okay, so let me remove this one from the each component. All right, and now let's check. So this is about us, but where is the menu? Because we have removed from this menu from the all three home, contact us and about us. But we have not added into the landing page. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me add this custom header here, so that menus are available and it's a part of the now landing page. Okay, now let's check. Awesome, so here we are getting home, contact us. Okay, now when I'm clicking on this one, see, you can see now we are only getting this is whatever the text we are getting, this is the part of the like a nested root. Okay, let me do one thing. So here I will declare the one div. Okay, and inside that div, okay, let me put this outlet. Okay, and let me give some, add some what we got, some CSS. Let's say outlet, I am giving the name as a like a outlet class. Okay, and in this one app.css, let me add some style. Okay, for this outlet class, let me give the like a minimum height. Let's say let me give the like a 500 pixel. Okay, and let's say background color, let me give the background color, let's say uh, let's give this one. Okay, now let's check what I did. So what I did, okay, so I have created the one div, okay, and to this div I have given the one class, that is the outlet, and in the CSS I have applied some styling like a background color. Okay, now let's check on the UI how it is working. Awesome. So here you can see when I'm clicking on the home, so this is landing page and this is the one, this is like our parent component. Okay, so whatever the changes you are seeing here, it is nothing the part of the outlet, it is like getting reflected in the outlet section only. Okay, so here you can see, okay, so this is nothing but the like a nested route, and here you can see the outlet code. Okay, so whatever the outlet we have declared the tag, okay, that will be replaced by the nested route UI code. Okay, hope so guys you got this one, and this is like a really important concept. Okay, whenever we use these routes in our React application. Okay, so we have covered almost all the things. Okay, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, and if you have any suggestion, please leave the comment in the comment section. Thank you. You are new to channel, okay, please do subscribe, like and share the video, and do not forget to click on the notification bell icon, so that whenever the new upload or new tutorial series has started, you will get the notification. So please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.